Are you ready to unlock the door to your financial future? Welcome to an enlightening journey with Omni Corp, a place where we firmly believe in the power of financial knowledge. Today, we delve into the importance of financial literacy for everyday workers. Think of financial literacy as your compass in the often complex landscape of personal finance. It illuminates the path to informed decisions, effective money management, and future security. Omni Corp is a treasure trove of resources. We offer interactive workshops, engaging webinars, and comprehensive online courses, all designed to arm you with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the intricate world of personal finance. But don't simply take our word for it. Hear from those who have walked this path before you, our satisfied clients. One of our clients, John, shares, Omni Corp's financial literacy program was a game changer for me. It helped me understand my finances better, and now I feel more confident about my financial future. And Sarah, another satisfied client, states, I was always intimidated by financial jargon, but Omni Corp made it so simple and easy to understand. Now I feel empowered and in control of my money. At Omni Corp, we delve into the heart of personal finance. We discuss essential topics like budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Mastering these skills equips you to reach your financial goals and secure a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. So, are you ready to unlock your financial potential? Omni Corp is ready to guide you on this journey towards financial freedom. We are committed to empowering everyday workers to seize control of their financial future. Visit our website to learn more and register for our upcoming workshops and courses. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Let Omni Corp be your guide. Start your journey today